Assalamu alaikum dear. In this video we will discuss 5 natural remedies for headache relief. Number 1 is magnesium. Magnesium is much safer than a painkiller, and people who suffer from serious headache often have a low level of magnesium. You can increase your magnesium intake through either supplements or your diet. Number 2 is essential oils. When you are having a headache, you can place a few drops of peppermint or lavender oil into your hand and then rub the blend on your forehead or just inhale it for approximately 15 minutes. Number 3 is feverfew. Consuming feverfew can reduce the frequency of migraine headache and headache symptoms such as pain, nausea, and vomiting. Also, it can prevent migraine headaches without posing any major safety concern. Number 4 is water. Drinking enough water to stay hydrated can relieve headache pain and symptoms. This is a simple and natural remedy that will keep you feeling energized, refreshed, and headache free. You can also stay hydrated with some water-rich fruits and vegetables in your diet. Number 5 is detox bath. A detox bath can not only clean your body but also reduce the tension which may cause headache. You can go to a local clinic like Clear Health Inn which offer the detox bath, or you can just have one at home.